Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. Have items from Simon Says Stamp, Scrapbook.com, HSN, The Sassy Club, Hobby Lobby, and Spellbinders Paper Arts. Let's get started with Simon Says Stamp. So I picked up this Tim Holtz worn wallpaper, and it's the Halloween collection. It was opened on the side, and I don't know, I just wasn't thrilled with this collection of papers. There was a couple of sheets that I liked that I pulled out that I will keep. This design here, and then this design here. But this will be going in my giveaway that I have on the previous video for the AliExpress dies. So if you haven't seen that video and you're interested in winning this paper pad along with some other dies, go watch that video and indicate in the comment of that video that you're interested in entering the drawing. So this was I think it's 2 each of 12 designs, so 24 sheets of the Tim Holtz worn wallpaper. And then I picked up this chipboard from Altenew, or by Altenew, and it's 27 stickers. I just thought it was really nice. It's the Enjoy the Ride collection. I have several sheets of the paper, and then I have another item that I'm going to show you in a little bit that I purchased from this collection. So super cute chipboard pieces, just very striking pieces to add to projects. What's that? Now from Scrapbook.com, this is where I did pick up the 6x6 paper pad for that collection, Enjoy the Ride. It's 24 sheets of 3 designs each. I have several of these in the 12x12, and then I decided to go ahead and pick up the 6x6, and I have used a couple of sheets already. One thing about the Altenew pad, that once I tore one of the papers out, you know, the packet came loose, which is fine, no big deal. I just put a clip on the edge to keep it, well, I had a clip on the edge to keep it all together. So that's from Altenew. And then I picked up from Penny Black this really cute stamp set. Very nice sentiments. They're called Special Sentiments, and it's 11 pieces, and it says enjoy every moment, thank you, bunches and bunches, really like the happy birthday, today is all about you, happy birthday. So super nice sentiment set by Penny Black. And then I picked up another sentiment set by Pink Fresh Studio, and this one is called Scripted Bold Sentiments. And I just love the script on this. It's so pretty. Look at that. Thank you. Really nice. And then it has smaller sentiments to go with it, like you'll be fab. So you could say good luck, you'll be fab. Thinking of you, big hugs. Enjoy your day. Hooray. Take care. Some days you just need to feel a little extra love. How cute is that? So really nice stamp set. And then I also picked up this 6x6 stamp paper pad from Honeybee Stamps. It's called the Bee's Knees. Super cute paper pad. If you are into bees like I am this year for some reason, this is the paper pad for you. Really cute designs. I really love this one. Yep, that's by Honeybee. And then I got a freebie, which I hardly ever notice that they have freebies. And it's this slimline toner card front, and you know, you run your foil paper through your laminator, or yeah, to get the color on the dots. So super cute. Then from HSN, I just have one thing to share, and that's this Anagraphin Handsome Multi-Mat Foil Cardstock. So I shared weeks ago that I got the one set of a foil cardstock. So this one is like geared toward men, I guess. But these colors, just look at that. That's beautiful. You can use these on any card. Like purple. So got that. It's 5 colors, 12 sheets each. And then from the Sassy Club, I got this stamp set. It's so darn cute. It's called Sassy Doo, like Scooby-Doo 8-piece set. I just love Scooby-Doo. And look at that. Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. And then there's Freddy. And looks like Shaggy and Velma and Scooby-Doo. And it says Zoinks and Ruh-roh and little flowers. Super cute. And this is from the Sassy Club. And then from Hobby Lobby, I picked up a few things. I know everyone has been hauling a lot of Hobby Lobby items on clearance. I went to my Hobby Lobby one time and I didn't see that many things, but I don't need it much. So I got this ribbon. It's really nice. It was on clearance 40% or 50%, not clearance. And then this really pretty decorative trim. Instead of the little pom-poms, it's flat. I had this in several colors, and it is by Merchant 41. Got that, and then I got this really pretty trim. It's the Ribbon Boutique. It's really nice. I can't wait to use this on a card. I love using craft color everything. So I picked up these little buttons. I'm sorry, I already took the top off because what I want to do is to cut the actual button part off. I think most of them came off. Some of them came off really easy, others didn't, and I'm just going to file these down. I have a heavy duty file that I use, but the colors are really gorgeous. And then I picked up some zippers. I was just over in that section and I thought these zippers were super fun, and I am going to try to incorporate them in a card somehow. They're so pretty. I think it's a white one, yeah, too. Look at that. Just adorable. And then I did find a few things on clearance. I found this washi tape by the Paper Studio. It was $1.49. I haven't really been buying washi. I don't use it a lot, but I really like the globes. And it says life is an adventure. And I also picked up these adhesive gems, kind of black and silver. And then these, one of them kind of got a little extra bling on them, but super cute. And this is blue. I don't have a lot of navy or dark blue items, so I thought these were really nice. And you don't have to use the whole piece on a card or a project. You can just use some of it. So I like that one. And then I bought this strips of adhesive gems. I just really like the colors. Not sure how I'm going to use these. And I think that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. So clearance and items that were on sale. So last but not least, I placed an order with Spellbinders after watching Sybil B here on YouTube. If you're watching, hi Sybil. She had purchased some super items, super inexpensive items that they had a clearance on, and some of it was so pretty. And this was a couple of them. It's a sparkle trim and I don't know, boho trim, or I think this is sparkle and amazing. And then they had this really pretty, I should have got 2 of these, but it has lace and it has really pretty silky leaves and some velvet, and then the like twine looking, and it's just really cute. And these were really inexpensive. And I purchased some brads. I needed some brads. Oh, let me see. So here are some brads, and these are like the bead bowl brads. They're kind of like silver and like antique gold. And then Be Natural brads. These are white and kind of a cream, black, and a dark brown. And then these are Be Sweet brads, and these are pink, green, and like a lime green, which I really like. And then these super cute little paper clip attachments. I don't even know how to get in this bag. How can I show it to you if I can't even get in the bag? Come on, you can do it, Felicia, in a timely fashion. So they are so tiny. Oh my gosh. And I picked up some treat bags, spring treat bags. So you got 25 pieces of assorted colors. So this took forever. I ordered these on May 1st, and I got them on this past Friday, I think, or just the other day. So almost an entire month. I thought they were lost. I did call, and customer service rep was super nice and told me they were just processing a certain date, and it wasn't even up to my date, so I knew that they were coming. So that is my craft haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for a video with some projects that I make with some of these items. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you've been along for the ride for a while, thanks for continuing to support me. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.